All right, welcome back, grade 9s. This is one of our last lessons together. Once again, keep in mind next Thursday, November 12th, is our final exam. That's worth 15% of your mark. Before that, on Monday of next week, we have our midterm. That's chapters 6 through 9. This Friday, we have our chapter 9 and grade 9. Chapter 9 evaluation on chapter 9 that we are looking at here today. So one thing that we need to understand from chapter 9 is that the economic and political system that your country is under is going to affect its ability to respond to crisis. So in your notes, I'd like you to put down just going to zoom in there for you, the economic and political system that a country is under will impact their ability to respond to crisis. So what are some options? Well, you could have, politically, you could have a democracy, or politically, you could have an authoritarian state. And depending upon if you're a democracy or an authoritarian state, you may be able to respond to crisis differently. Globally right now, we have a COVID-19 crisis that it appears that some authoritarian states like China and North Korea have been able to skirt some of the problems that democracies like Canada, United States, England, and Spain, and Italy, and Germany are struggling with. So the question is, how does the political system that you have in place affect our ability to respond to crisis? And we're going to watch a TED Talk on that. And then a related note, because this course wasn't just about politics, it's about economics as well. How does the economic system we have in place affect our ability to respond to crisis? So as we wrap up the year, the first half of the year was about politics, the second half was about economics. Now we're bringing them together and we're saying, if there's a crisis, how does our political and or economic system impact our ability to address them? We are going to watch one of them before our mass break, and then we'll come in and watch the other one. I'm not going to record us watching them. I'm just recording the instructions. So if anyone's listening at home, they can move on to the next step, which would be recording or watching these two TED Talks, looking for answers as to how a political or economic system that you have in place may impact your ability to respond to crisis.